Welcome to my channel, where we explore the world of personal development and financial success. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 habits of highly successful people that you can implement today to help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Number 1. Be goal-oriented. Successful people have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and set goals to help them get there. Goals are essential because they give you direction and purpose. Without them, you may feel lost, aimless, or uncertain about what you should be doing. To be goal-oriented, start by identifying what you want to achieve. Write down your goals and make them specific, measurable, and achievable. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps and create a timeline for each step. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and track your progress over time. Make sure your goals are aligned with your values and passions. You're more likely to succeed when you're passionate about what you're doing, and when your goals are in line with what you care about most. Don't be afraid to dream big, but also be realistic about what you can achieve. Number 2. Develop a morning routine. Starting your day with intention can set the tone for the rest of the day. A morning routine is a set of activities that you do every morning to help you prepare for the day ahead. It can help you feel more energized, focused, and productive. To develop a morning routine, start by identifying what activities you enjoy or find beneficial. This can include things like exercise, meditation, journaling, reading, or having a healthy breakfast. Create a schedule and stick to it as much as possible, but be flexible and adjust as needed. Make sure your morning routine is realistic and sustainable. It should be something you enjoy and look forward to, not something that feels like a chore or adds stress to your day. Experiment with different activities and find what works best for you. Number 3. Practice time management. Successful people value their time and use it wisely. Time management is the practice of organizing and planning how much time you spend on different activities to maximize productivity and achieve your goals. To practice time management, start by identifying your priorities and goals. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to help you plan your day and track your progress. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and prioritize the most important ones. Avoid procrastination and distractions as much as possible. Set boundaries around your time and limit the time you spend on non-essential activities like social media or email. Be mindful of your energy levels and take breaks when you need them. Number 4. Continuously learn and grow. Successful people never stop learning. Continuous learning is the practice of acquiring new knowledge, skills, or perspectives throughout your life. It can help you stay relevant, adapt to change, and pursue your passions. To continuously learn and grow, start by identifying what areas you want to improve in. This can be a specific skill, topic, or industry. Look for resources like books, online courses, or workshops that can help you develop your skills. Network with people in your industry and seek out mentors or role models who can offer guidance and support. Attend events or conferences to stay up to date with the latest trends and ideas. Be open-minded and willing to embrace new challenges or experiences. Don't be afraid to take risks or make mistakes, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Number 5. Build strong relationships. Successful people understand the importance of building strong relationships. Relationships are essential because they can provide support, guidance, and opportunities. They can also challenge you to grow and improve. To build strong relationships, start by being authentic and genuine. Be yourself and show interest in other people's lives and perspectives. Look for common interests or values that you share. Be a good listener and show empathy. Seek to understand other people's perspectives and offer support when needed. Number 6. Practice self-care. Successful people prioritize their health and well-being. Self-care is the practice of taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. It can help you reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your overall quality of life. To practice self-care, start by identifying what activities help you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. This can include things like exercise, spending time in nature, getting enough sleep, or practicing mindfulness. Make self-care a regular part of your routine. Schedule time for activities that nourish your body and mind. Set boundaries around your time and prioritize your needs over other demands. Be mindful of your self-talk and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, and avoid harsh self-criticism. Number 7. Take action and embrace failure. Successful people understand that taking action is essential for achieving their goals. They also understand that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Taking action and embracing failure can help you overcome fear and build resilience. To take action and embrace failure, start by identifying what actions you need to take to achieve your goals. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and create a plan of action. Take action even if you feel afraid or uncertain. Remember that failure is not a reflection of your worth as a person. View failure as an opportunity to learn and improve, and use it to adjust your approach and try again. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep going. Remember that every step forward is progress. Number 8. Cultivate a positive mindset. Successful people cultivate a positive mindset. They understand the power of their thoughts and beliefs and use them to create the reality they desire. A positive mindset can help you overcome challenges, increase your confidence, and improve your overall well-being. To cultivate a positive mindset, start by practicing gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life and express appreciation for them. Surround yourself with positive people and environments that support your growth and development. Challenge negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Replace them with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs that support your goals. Stay optimistic and focus on solutions rather than problems. Look for opportunities in every situation and use setbacks as opportunities to grow and learn. Number 9. Take responsibility for your life. Successful people take responsibility for their lives. They understand that they have the power to create their own reality and make choices that support their goals and values. Taking responsibility can help you build self-confidence and resilience. To take responsibility for your life, start by identifying your goals and values. Create a plan of action and take steps every day to move towards them. Take ownership of your mistakes and learn from them. Don't blame others or external circumstances for your setbacks. Look for ways to take control of your situation and make positive changes. Stay committed to your goals and values, even when faced with challenges or obstacles. Be proactive and take action to create the life you desire. Number 10. Practice gratitude and giving back. Successful people practice gratitude and giving back. They understand the importance of being grateful for what they have and using their resources to make a positive impact on others. Practicing gratitude and giving back can help you build meaningful connections and increase your overall happiness and well-being. To practice gratitude and giving back, start by expressing appreciation for the good things in your life. Look for ways to give back to your community or support causes that you care about. Volunteer your time, skills, or resources to help others. Be kind and compassionate towards others, and look for ways to make a positive difference in their lives. Stay humble and grounded, and remember that your success is not just about you. Use your resources and influence to make a. These are just a few of the habits that successful people practice to help them achieve their goals. Incorporate these habits into your own life and see how they can help you reach your full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on personal development and financial success. Subscribe for money. Subscribe for money. Subscribe for money, man.